What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be going over the steps needed to install and integrate Wwise into a build of Unreal Engine that I created in the previous video. Since I ran into a few issues trying to get this working, figured I'd make a video and show you how I got through them problems and got it up and running. So first thing we're going to do is head over to Audiokinetic.com. When we get there, you can see you can just click download right on the front page. Or you can go up to the top right and you can also access it from there. I'm also going to cover looking at creating an account. Just click on the login, go down to the bottom to sign up. It's a good idea. They give you the option for a free license. Gives you a few more options. And it's free. There's nothing wrong with that. This is always something you can come back and do later. It's not a big deal. So we're just going to start and hit the download button. Should bring us to the next page and automatically start your download for you. I'll grab this link for you guys and throw it in the description. If you're not planning on doing the whole sign up thing, you can just grab the download from there. It's a pretty small download. Launch this, accept it. While this is setting up, I guess the next stage or next video, I'm going to try to set up a dedicated server where I can put it on a remote machine at my house for testing and get that working good. Then I think we'll try to integrate Steam on top of that with a Steam dedicated server also, and see what direction we want to go with the game. Should we go with a racing style game, shooter, first person, third person, top down? Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what you want to see. With this finished, it should open the launcher. Yeah, there it is. Then you go over to Unreal, go down to them slashes and download the integration for the engine. Check everything out, make sure it looks okay. And wait for all this to go. Should go pretty quick for me. I've been through it once, so it doesn't have a whole lot it's got to do. And we'll minimize that. Now we need to copy all these files over to the engine's plugin. And I'm adding a third-party folder inside that Wwise folder. We'll have to copy some SDK files over here. You can get those, you go to Program Files, and where you installed the Wwise files earlier. From here I'm going to grab the include Mac W32 VC15 X64 VC15, mainly VC15 because I'm running Visual Studio 17 and that's the files required for it. I may try just deleting the Mac files and seeing if it builds without them. Try to build it. This is where I run into issues. There's some changes in the file that I need to make, but I'll do the build like everybody else would have done and show you the errors that it comes up with and how we fix it. So we'll fast forward through all this. It's pretty basic. Right click and build. It'll give us an error saying it can't find the DX SDK directory. And if you look in the error box, it'll give you the directory of the file, the problem. It's that AkAudio.Build.cs file. Let's open that file up. There's 2 changes we need to make there, and we'll try to build it again. We gotta go to the engine there and down to plugins. The directory is shown in the error box, so if you're not sure where to look, just look down there and tell you where to go. And if you go to the right folder, let's go up there to source. And we'll open this up. We'll go down to about line 249, somewhere in there. It'll reference the DK SDK drive directory. And we need to replace this and add another line of code pointing to that directory. So there you can see, I'll put that code in the description down below so you guys can either do that yourself, or I'll probably even include the file and you can just put that in there and overwrite the other one. Let's go ahead and build it again. We should be good after this one. As you can see, we got 2 succeeded. Everything's up to date, so we should be good. We'll try to open it up and see how it goes. I'm going to go ahead and close these windows out. We shouldn't need them anymore. All we got to do is launch Unreal and make sure it loads and everything's working. And we'll open the settings up, just check it out, and we'll go over this stuff when we actually start the project and we starting to use the sound and that. We'll get everything configured and go over what does what and all that fun stuff. As of right now, we're just making sure it all worked, and it looks like we're all good. If you guys find this video helpful, hit the like button. You want to see more of it, hit the subscribe. Next video, I'm pretty sure we're going to go over the dedicated servers, multiplayer, a couple plugins to help you with all that, Steam. Try to fit it all in on that one. We'll catch you guys later.